where to find your email password on Android. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be guiding you on how we can find out our email password on an Android device. So if you're also looking to find out, these are the processes you may follow up and you should be able to find your email password on your Android device. So for that, you can directly head over to the main settings of the device, and once you're here, you'll be seeing this interface. So you can just go ahead and scroll down to the section called Accounts and Backup, or you can go to Google and go ahead and open up your Google account here. And once you're here, you can go ahead and tap on your account and open up your Google account settings. So once you're on your Google account settings, head over to security by swiping to the right side of the screen, and then scroll down until you're able to find this option called Password Manager. So go to Manage Passwords, and here what you will be finding is all of your accounts here. So if you have saved up your password here under this, there are different options available right now. You can see, for example, Amazon, Epic Games, and if you also have saved your Google email password here, you'll be finding it right here. So for that, you can go ahead and tap on Amazon.com. And for example, you can go ahead and, let me show you how. Let me go to Amazon.com. If you have gone to your email right here, if you have saved up your password, you'll be finding your password right below your email address when you tap on this eye icon, just like that. So that is how you find up your email password on your Android device by following up this method for now. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.